So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing Kohler Cimarron toilet in the master bath. This is the elongated comfort height, straight out of Home Depot, purchased by the homeowner. So we warrant the installation, which means the labor on installing the toilet. We don't warrant the toilet because it's not our product. So any trouble with the toilet, obviously, you know, and Kohler's got a great warranty. They'll replace parts and whatnot. I'm not sure exactly how limited the warranty is, but everything is great in here. We did have to take a toilet back. This is the first one we set. The tank was leaking, so I exchanged it real quick and got one out here. So it's filling correctly, shutting off correctly, flushing correctly. Additionally, we gave you a new supply line down here. Whenever we hook up a new toilet, we like to put a new supply line on just because all the rubber gaskets have been compressed for so long on the old toilet. We don't like to reinstall it and then get a leak. And now we got a service call coming back up out here and charging you money. So we just put it on there. Anyway, so this one's good. We got one in the master. And then one in the hall, same thing. Kohler Cimarron. And so bath number 2. This little fella right here. Sorry about the light, it's very dimly lit in here. Same thing, elongated comfort height, and purchased by the homeowner, and supply line. So this one, again, we always check it, you know, for filling. We don't want it overfilling, underfilling, and you know, we flush it to make sure it's functioning correctly. We check the fill valve, make sure that it's filling and shutting off correctly. So this one's in good shape too, and then of course caulk back in, and that's hall bath. That's the bath number 2. And then last one is going to be out on the other side of the kitchen, and we'll call this bath 3, just because I don't know what else to call it. But this guy's sitting over here, that's the kitchen, and so this little fella right here. So another full bath sitting over here, and they need some brighter lights. Anyway, so this one we just got finished with, same thing, Kohler Cimarron, Home Depot, 17-inch toilet height, which is the ADA or the comfort height, and then elongated. So all 3 are the same, and I think they got a pretty good price on these over Home Depot or Lowe's. I can't remember where they went, but it's like $199. So good price on the toilets, and again, shut off, not a shut off valve, but the supply line coming up to the toilet. All of the shut off valves look in good shape, and none of them were dripping. So you know, we didn't have to mess with anything. Sometimes these guys start dripping and we try and get them tightened down and whatnot. Didn't have to fuss with any of the shut-off valves. But so brand new supply, and these are out of Home Depot, Brasscraft, so they're a leading manufacturer. We usually use Fluid Master, but we didn't have any on the truck. But Brasscraft 3/8 by 7/8 by 20-inch supply line. So those are good. This one is filling correctly, shutting off correctly, and flushing correctly. Outside of that, this installation is done.